Hello everyone, welcome to this unit. So let me tell you, this unit is going to be project-based learning. What is the meaning of project-based learning? So the meaning of project-based learning is we are going to pick up one project that we will implement throughout this unit. And when we are implementing this particular project throughout the unit, we will learn a lot of new coding concepts. We will implement it to the particular project and we will keep enhancing it to the next level. So let me show you what is the project that we will implement slowly and gradually as a part of this unit. Here we have our own PACMAN game that we are going to implement as a part of this unit. So let me show you how does it works. So we have this PACMAN which keeps on eating the dots, or you can say them laddus or sweets, whatever you want to tell them. So it can go up, it can go down, it can go left and right and keep at eating the laddus or the dots. These bars are actually the barriers and it can't go beyond it. If it touches a bar, it will just keep banging. It can't go beyond the bars. Okay. So you will have to find out the way which is accessible to it. Eat of the dots. It has got 3 lives. As you can see, the score also keep on increasing. Okay. So 1 life is gone because the PACMAN was eaten by the ghost. So we will have to start again. 1 life is gone. Second life is also gone. As you can see, these hearts are going down or going away. Third life is gone. So you lose and the total points are 28. So this is how the PACMAN game works. And this is what we are going to implement as a part of this unit. We will learn all the concepts and we will keep on implementing it. So while implementing this project, we are going to learn some very interesting, very basic concepts of coding that will stay with you lifelong. Trust me, these coding concepts are going to be with you lifelong. So we are going to learn for loop. We will learn what is a for loop. We will also understand what is a game design process. If I am supposed to design this PACMAN game, what should be the approach? What I should implement first and then what next? So for loop, and then we are going to implement the design. How do we design it? We will also learn about the groups. What is the importance of group? Why do we need a group in any game? And what are the things that should be grouped together? What are the benefits of it? So we are going to learn about the groups. We will also learn functions in detail. We will implement it in this game. We will see what are the different stages of a game that we can implement, how my characters in the game should behave according to the stages, different stages. We will see how do we create the enemies or how do we loop the enemies randomly. I understand that all of you are very curious and excited to implement this PACMAN game, but it is also very important that you understand the basic concepts of coding that we will cover up during the sessions. Once you understand the basic concepts of coding, trust me, this PACMAN game is nothing. You should be able to create much more interesting games using these concepts that you will learn. So yes, implement the game, but when it comes about the theoretical knowledge, or when it comes about the understanding the basic concept of coding, be a little patient. See all the videos, do all the exercises that you are supposed to do, and then move on to implement it in this project. Have patience and don't afraid of the bugs. If you are getting bugs, it means you are creating something very interesting. Don't afraid of the bugs, solve them and keep moving. You can always message me for any kind of help that you need. So what we are waiting for, let's get started.